What's up and welcome to my 60-minute full body kettlebell workout. Full body, we're gonna do deadlifts, we're gonna do swings, we're gonna do clean, we're gonna do press, we're gonna do cheat clean, squat to press, and we're going to do kettlebell squats. All right, so we're gonna jump into it, getting started with our high knees up and down, and we're gonna jump right into it. Every minute on the minute, we're gonna get into it and get it done. All right, jog in place. So remember, we're gonna go 10 reps for the deadlifts, then we're gonna go 6 reps for everything else. So I'm gonna call it out beforehand so you know exactly what we're gonna do right here before, the exercise we're gonna do before, and the one coming up next. You got your timer right here. Keep track of that, about 20 to 30 seconds of rest, or about 20, 30 seconds of work. So depending on the exercise. All right, let's jump into it. We're gonna jump right in it. We're going deadlifts, 10 deadlifts right here. Let's get after it. Let's get this done. Let's start starting together. Let's get you on with your day. Let's get after it. All right, so remember the deadlift, bow by your heels. You're gonna hinge down, grab that bell handle, pack those shoulders, stand up tall. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, set it down, shake it out. All right, so you're gonna rest out, rest up on the minute. All right, so next up, we're gonna be doing swings. We're only doing 6 swings today. All right, we're bringing it back down. 5 to 6 swings is ideal if you're just starting out with kettlebell training, which is what this actual video is about. It's about full body kettlebell training with beginner. Someone that's just starting out. You wanna learn the technique, you wanna learn it well, all right? So drop the reps. Okay, here we go. So remember the swing. You're going to be foot splits away from that bell. Come back behind that bell. You're gonna find your hip hinge. Hinge forward. Remember, the swing is a hinge. You wanna hinge it back, all right? So, hip hinge and explode up, stand up tall. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set it down and shake it out. Good work. All right. Good work. Good. So again, 20, 30, even 40 seconds to rest, depending on how fast your swings are. It's gonna get your heart rate up, but it's gonna allow it to come down and be ready for the next set. All right, take your time with these. If you need to drop the reps, decrease the reps, go ahead and do that. Or a lighter bell if you start too heavy. All right, so next up, we got the high pull catch. So high pull catch is an exercise you use to get the bell up from the ground, high pull catching it, so you can do a squat or a press, so which we're gonna work on coming up. So you're gonna high pull it catch, use your hip power, the same power you do with the swing. And you're gonna high pull it up, just like that. Okay, we're doing 6 of these. And here we go, bell right by your toes, hinge forward, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more nice and strong, 6. Good, shake it out. All right, nice work. All right, make sure you stay hydrated, especially if you're outside in the sun. Hydrate, electrolytes, make sure you get it in. Take sips when you need it. All right, we're back to the swings. All right, back to swings. 6 swings again. Let's go. So take this time, put space away from that bell, set up. Reach out to the side here, stand to the side. Remember, you're gonna hinge it down, hike it back strong, stand up tall as you exhale and power it up. Here we go. Hinge, 3, 2, 1, swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice work, shake it out, set it down. Yes, you are getting it done, getting it done. All right, in and out, full body workout. That's how you do it, quick, full body, kettlebell. What else do you need? All you need is a bell. All right, next up we got goblet squats. You guessed it, 6 squats. So this is how that looks. You're gonna high pull catch the bell, squat it down, power it up. All right, just like that. Make sure you're controlling it down, pausing at the bottom, and I'll coach you through it as we do each rep. Make sure you're pausing it down at the bottom, chest up, power it up. Corkscrew those heels together to keep those knees outward and from bowing in. All right, here we go. 6 reps. High pull catch, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last one, nice and strong. 6. Nice job, shake it out. Woo, getting it done, getting it done. All right. All right, next up we got swings. Yep, swings in between. One of my favorite ways to train is getting a swing in between each and another kettlebell exercise in between that. All right, so back to 6 swings. Here we go. Again, if you need to drop the reps, if 6 is too much, do 4, do 3. Good technique as you learn this action or learn this activity or learn this exercise. All right, here we go. Let's go. Hinge, forward, and swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, good job. Awesome, excellent work. Woo, making progress, making progress. So remember, each of these exercises is gonna be right here in my description. All right, swing, squat, squat to press. Clean, everything is gonna be in the description. You can check out those exercises in detail. More instruction after this if you wanna learn about a little bit more about those exercises. All right, next up we got, well, what do we got next? We got squat to press, okay? So squat to press is gonna be just like you did goblet squat, right here, squat, and then press it up, 2 arm press. 3 squats, 3 press, alternating, just like that. Here we go. So good, strong. Use your leg power to get that bell up, and then control it down, abs tight, glutes tight, everything engaged. Here we go. Up, squat, power it up, press. 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3. Nice job, shake it out. Awesome work, awesome work. We're about halfway there. Let's get this done. All right, so back to the swing. All right, back to the swing. So remember, the swing is a powerful, explosive exercise. You should be able to shoot that bell upward, use your glutes and hips to power that bell up out of the backswing, okay? Stand up tall, explode it up. 6 reps is the goal, or if you have to do less, work with that. I want good, solid technique. Here we go. All right, here we go. Hip hinge it down. Here we go, hike back, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice job, shake it out. Shake it out. All right. So, awesome job so far. So as part of the kettlebell training, as part of doing kettlebell training, you gotta clean the bell up, okay? 1 arm clean the bell. There's a progress, there's a process, okay? There's the cheek clean, which we'll do today. There's a floor clean, and then there's the swing clean, okay? But in order to get those other ones, you gotta get the cheek cleaned up nice and rolled around so it doesn't bang your forearm. So we're gonna cheek clean it from the ground. We're gonna be knocking out 6 reps of those on each side, right? And then we'll go into the swing, and we'll do it again, okay? So cheek clean the bell, hand on the bell side is gonna be over the handle, other hand's underneath, and you're gonna cheek clean it up, use that hip power. Here we go. Here's 1, 2, 3, if you do it right, nice rock position. 4, 5, just like that, and 6. Good, awesome work. Getting that smooth rhythm of the clean is important. All right, we're keeping going, keeping going. All right, making progress. So next up, we're gonna be doing so we're gonna go cheek clean again, left side, then we're gonna take a break, and then we're gonna go cheek clean to press on each side, and then we're gonna finish with some swings, all right? So we'll finish up strong, finish doing it, get it done, get that clean down, practice this, get it smooth. Remember, left hand, or hand that you're gonna clean the bell up on top facing you, hand down, palm down. Other hand is up under the bell. helping you cheat the belt into that rack position. Roll it around like you're zipping up your jacket. It should not bang your forearms. Let's go, here we go. Grab, up, just like that. Rack position, down, up. 2, 3, practice this. The power comes from your hips. 4, 5, last one, 6. Nice work, shake it out. All right, yes. Getting it done. All right, awesome job. So you practice that clean, practice that clean. It's gonna go cheat clean, then you progress to the swing of dead clean, floor clean, then the swing clean eventually. All right, so back to the swings. 6 swings, let's knock it out. About 10 seconds. So remember, if you need to drop the reps, go ahead and do that. I want good quality swings. All right, here we go. Set up by that bell. Find your hip hinge. 3, 2, 1, swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice job. Awesome work. All right. So this is getting it done. So we're gonna finish. We're gonna back to that cheat clean, but we're gonna add a press, okay? So you're gonna cheat clean it, press the bell up, set it down, cheat clean it, press the bell. 3 on each side. 3 cheat cleans, 3 right. 3 cheat cleans, 3 presses, right, rest the next minute, then we're gonna go left. And then we're gonna finish with some swings, all right? So remember, your press should be locked in, abs tight, glutes, squeeze that belt, pressing it up strong. And your press is only as good as your clean, so do a good cheat clean. Here we go. Hand on top of that bell, pound forward, cheat clean it up, lock, press. Inhale, set it down, re-clean, press. One more time, down, up, lock out, and down, and set it down. Nice work. All right, we're gonna shake it out, and we'll go to the next set. So remember, when you're cleaning it, power it up, inhale a little bit, hold that air. As you press it out, you're exhaling to press it overhead. Lock up the elbow at the top. You want fully straight elbow, full arm, locked out. All right, here we go. Left side or other side. 3 clean, 3 press, 3 cheat clean, okay? Then you can progress to the floor clean and progress from there. But today we're focusing on the cheat clean so you can get that good roll up. Remember, zip up your jacket. It should roll out nice and smoothly. It should not bang your forearm. It's a roll around. All right, here we go. Hand on that bell, other hand underneath, cheat it up, roll around, press it up, down, again, up, press. Last one, down, roll it up, press. Nice work. Excellent, getting it done. You are knocking this one out. All right, here we go. We're gonna finish up with some swings, okay? So this is our last exercise today right here. When we finish up with a set of good swings, okay? If you've been doing six swings and the 6 feels good to you, stick with the 6, okay? If you wanna go a little bit more, maybe 8, and you feel comfortable with your technique, go to 8, okay? That's the most I want you to go today. You want to get you that technique down strong, okay? Explosive, power. Let's finish on with these set of swings. And we're gonna cool it down at the end, finish up and get on with it. Get on with your day, pat yourself on the back for that full body workout. You can come back and watch this video again, or sneak peek out a little bit shorter workout you can do that I'll tell you about after this. All right, here we go. This last set of swings, here we go. Pick your reps, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm gonna go 8, 7, 8. Set it down. Yes, you got it done. Pat yourself on the back for that one. That's a win. 15 minutes, baby. So we'll be done in about 16 minutes. Getting it done, cooling it down. That's how you get it done. Grab some water real quick. We'll do about a minute cool down. But as you do that, let me tell you about that 10-minute full body workout you can grab for free right now. All right. I made a full body 10-minute workout. Covers everything from the swing, the deadlift, the row, the the press, the squat, the two arm press, that's a full body 10-minute workout. You can do it anywhere. 10 minutes is all you need, one kettlebell. If you want that, put KB10 in the comments. I'll shoot it over to you. It's free. I want to send you a workout you could always have in your pocket, on your phone at any time. You can download it and get a workout in. All you need is a bell. You can get outside in nature, just like this. Let's reach up, exhale. So get after it. Get that 10-minute workout, KB10. Awesome work. All right, side to side. All right, so quick quad stretch. Hold that quad here, hip forward. Just a quick stretch here. Good, other side. Press forward. Couple knee rolls. And other way. All right, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for getting workout, full body kettlebell workout with me. 60 minutes in and out, beginner to intermediate. You can get more challenging if you want to add more of a weight. Get that technique down, get it strong. Remember, all the exercises, technique are in my description. Patch stuff in the back for that. Get going after your day-to-day. You train strong, you got this done. Keep shooting up right here. I'm gonna give you everything you need to get stronger, get fitter, to transform your body with the kettlebell. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video. Continue to train strong.